Hi there, food lovers. Today we are going to learn how to make a delicious Nigerian dish called Moi Moi. It is a traditionally African dish made with beans. First, let's start by peeling our beans. I'm going to be using blender to pick our beans. You can also use the traditional way of peeling beans by using your hand to peel it. You can also watch my other video for that method. Add some water, let it be twice the size of the beans, and just press the pause button on your blender. If you are using blender is actually very fast in peeling your beans if you just want to do it very fast. So this is the method of using blender to peel your beans. It's very fast and it's very easy if you don't want to use the traditional method of peeling beans. Peel and wash your beans. So this is the outcome of it. Add some onions. These are the things I'm going to use. Some habanero pepper, like 5 to 6 habanero. If you don't want it too hot, just add the one you can peel. Add some red pepper. It makes it rich in flavor when you add all these fresh vegetables and herb like pepper into it. So if you don't want it too hot, just reduce it. So me, I like my hot. Blend it until it's smooth. So this is the outcome. I don't like it too watery. I like it a little bit thick. Add some smoked fish. So these are all the ingredients we are going to be adding. Crayfish, smoked fish is optional. Then some vegetable oil. You can also use palm oil. As a traditional method, you can use palm oil. When I was growing up, we normally liked using palm oil to make my mind. Add some oil, some salt, some herbs. This is optional, but I like adding herbs. Like I like adding thyme, powder, garlic, or ginger sometimes. This gave it extra flavor because I don't normally add seasoning to my. Just take a note. If you are someone that doesn't like seasoning your my, herbs are very rich in flavor. Just add it to your my and you get a perfect my recipe. Mix all the ingredients together until you get a fluffy texture of your my paste. This Nigerian dish called Moi Moi is also a great source of a protein to your food. So mix this and start scooping it into your Moi Moi bowl. I'm using this bowl to make my Moi Moi. You can also use, traditionally we have a leaf that we use to wrap our Moi Moi. It can be a banana leaf. There's also one that we call Moi Moi leaf. Add some boiled egg and put it in a pot. Let's steam our Moi Moi. You can also cover it with aluminum film just to steam it for about 45 to 50 minutes, depending on the nature of what you are using to cook your Moi Moi. If you are using the leaf, it's very easy, cooks very fast, like 30 minutes, everything will be ready. So this is the outcome of our Moi Moi. You can enjoy your Moi Moi with your favorite side dish like pap. Thank you for joining me for this Nigeria cutlery adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipe. I will see you all in my next cutlery adventure.